So if I were to actually go around over here onto my folders, you can actually see certain details of this file. For example, you can see the name, of course, and you can see when this file was actually changed over here, and you can see the file size around over here as well. As I hover over on this particular file, you can also see the name right here, which is the same as you can see right here. But if I were to actually go ahead and access the thumbnail view, let's say, for example, you don't really have the changes, details, and so forth. But what you can actually do is you can go around and hover over now, just like this on the name, and you can see the name and you can see the size and the time of that particular file right here, just like this for multiple files. So you can also go around onto icon view, and then you can see that as I hover over, you can see the file details. So you can see the folder detail around over here as well. For the folder, there's no file size, but over here you can see that for individual files you get the details just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and view the file details inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.